Joy Ma Bogula Mukhi Devir Joy. Hello viewers, I am Somnath Chatterjee and you are watching your favorite channel Tantra Bigyan. By the grace of Ma Bogula Devi, you have all had a good day and you have done everything possible to keep others well. I believe you like my video and the information I have given. I give you the remedial measures that you apply in your life properly. So if you like the video, you must like it after watching the video, and if you do not like it, then open your mind. I have no objection to dislike. And I will say again, this is a one-day video, so if you share the video with everyone through your social media, then you can benefit from the video of everyone else like you. And if you have any information or give me any feedback, then definitely in the box you will write your opinion. And many thanks from me and you to all those who have already subscribed to the channel. And if you are new to this channel today, then you must subscribe to the channel and the bell icon next to it. Keep up the good content so that you will not miss any of the videos that I have provided for your benefit. And you will definitely benefit from this channel. However, without further ado, let's start with today's horoscope judgment, its question and remedial measure. Today, 23rd October 2020. Let's talk about the first sign of the zodiac, Aries. In this day, you will be in a strong position at your workplace and obviously keep a cordial relation with your father. Mind it. And you are advised to be more careful in every kind of legal matters in your life today. And there are some harmony and peace in your married life and love life also. Some new thoughts lit up your mind in this day, and obviously maintain your elegance to your duties. Your lucky number for the day is 6, and there is a remedy for you. Today, obviously refrain from alcohol, meat and adultery for whole day. Then let's talk about the second sign of the zodiac, Taurus. Some physical diseases can be bother you during this day, and your unknown enemies will harass you in the office. So be careful about these things from the beginning of the day. And obviously do not waste your energy in needless matters in your life during this day, and you might face your seniors' worth. So be careful also about these things. And you will plan to hang out with your friends during this day. Your lucky number for the day is 5, and there is a remedy for you. Today, place a square piece of silver in the perimeter of your home and make it before starting your daily routine. Then let's talk about Gemini, the third sign of the zodiac. You will not be able to take some advantage of your past experience during this day. So be careful about these things, and you may face certain problems in your life. And some natives doing private jobs will be worried about their jobs. Be nice to your sweetheart. Some problems of arthritis and goats patients will be increased very much during this day, and you have to be abstain from every kind of bad eating habits in this day. Your lucky number for the day is 3, and there is a remedy for you. Today, accept their blessings by touching the feet of any old man. He might be known or unknown, that doesn't any matter. Then let's talk about the Cancer, the fourth sign of the zodiac. In this day, you may be engaged in some social events, and the unmarried people are mostly lucky to get their marriage dates during this day. And obviously don't take any decision under the influence of emotions. And obviously today is the right time to finish your uncompleted tasks and do them as early as possible during this day. And you will take some interest in some new work, and obviously take care of your family members. Your lucky number for the day is 7, and there is a remedy for you. Today, Do not burn milk to prepare any kind of milk made product at your home. Be careful about these things. Then let's talk about Leo, the fifth sign of the zodiac. If you are looking for a new job, then you will get a very good success during this day, and your moral will remain very high. Obviously, you will finish your additional officials works during this day, and it will be done by you very easily. And there will be some loss of fun and chatting with your family today. Some business trips likely to be happen during this day, and your lucky number for the day is 5, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, do not drink milk or any kind of milk made product at night. Instead, you can drink cheese or yogurt, and although you can drink milk during the day, there is no problem to drink it. And then let's talk about the sixth sign of the zodiac, Virgo. Just because of money, some of your important work may come to a halt during this day. So be careful about these things from the beginning of the day. And some unnecessary shopping adversely affects your budget. So be careful about these things also. And there may be some dispute between you and your father, and your performance will be very excellent at your workplace during this day. And obviously keep an eye on your children conducts. Your lucky number for the day is 4, and there is a remedy for you. Today, if you try to deceive others and do bad things with them, mind it, it will hurt you. So don't do this type of things during this day. Then let's talk about the seventh sign of the zodiac, Libra. In this day, you may have some negative feelings in your mind, and you will not feel comfortable at your home also. Some money will be spent on the needs of your family, and your colleagues might get very angry with you, but you try to keep you cool, very cool. Some job insecurity may bother you, and it would be better to share your thoughts with your life partner. Your lucky number for the day is 6, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, put your head at the feet of the God idol, and obviously take the blessings from him. Then let's talk about Scorpio, the eighth sign of the zodiac. Obviously, you will try to fix your weak points during this day, and today you will be very practical in your life, and so you will get a very good success in the planning and decision making during this day. Today you will in a state of mental peace also. Your willpower remains intact, and happiness will be everywhere, in your office or in your business place or in your life also. Your lucky number for the day is 8, and there is a remedy for you. Today, provide some free milk or any kind of a milk made product or water make product to incoming guests and other people in your life during this day. Then let's talk about Sagittarius, the ninth sign of the zodiac. One of your chronic disease may bother you again during this day, so very careful about these things, otherwise you will lose some good things from your life today. And your own people can behave like strangers, and you'll be shocked to see that. You should avoid traveling during this day. There will be some certainty in your income, and you will likely to get undue payment. Some people will find you uncongenial, so try to behave in a pleasant way in your life today. Your lucky number for the day is 5, and there is a remedy for you. Today, your mother or the elder lady of your house and their blessings will be very good for you to improve your career very good. So do these things before starting your daily routine. Then let's talk about Capricorn, the 10th sign of the zodiac. There are some chances of getting a handsome gain in your business, but you can commit some mistakes because of overconfidence of your life during this day. So be careful about these things from the beginning of the day. And obviously do not be so impatient to reach any conclusion earlier. Think about it and then take the decision. Your family harmony will be at a good level during this day, and you may get rid of obstacles at your workplace, business place, etc. And your lucky number for the day is 5, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, obviously eliminate every kind of glassware for whole day. Then let's talk about Aquarius, the 11th sign of the zodiac. In this day, you will feel some less affection in your married life, love life, etc. And you may face some resentment of elderly people in your life. And engineering students will be very concerned about their careers. And you will have less profit than expected in your business. But don't lose your mind. At this time, you should restrain yourself while doing any tasks. Be careful about this thing. And your lucky number for the day is 3, and there is a remedy for you. Today, if you take some rice from your mother hand and keep it for yourself, it will help in your financial improvement during this day. So do it as early as possible. I mean to say before starting your daily routine. Then I am about the 12th sign of the zodiac, or the last sign is the Pisces. Stars advise you to stay away from every kind of temptation from your life. A major gain in a career is foreseen for the people who are associated with the research field, any kind of research field. And you will be very pleased with the children's behavior during this day. You will remain fascinated by your life partners also. You can meet your long-term friends during this day, and it will be very good for you. Your lucky number for the day is 9, and there is a remedy for you. Today, obviously donate some milk or any kind of a milk-made product to other people at will. Anyway, this was the judgment of Aristophanes from today's Magic's question and the remedial action, and I will not say anything more than this today. I would like to wish Ma Bagala Devi like every day. Let Hema keep everyone well and keep them healthy and create a very good situation in their life so that they can keep everyone else well and keep them healthy also. Maybe I am here today, I will be back at the right time tomorrow, and I will tell you about the precautionary and remedial measures to judge a pieces from Aries in front of you. For that time, take care and goodbye.